Hey guys, welcome back. Out here at Bags. It's a beautiful day, as you guys can see. A little bit of wind. The water's clear. It looks real nice. And I got a little surprise for you guys. I'm not gonna say what it is. So, and there's a subscriber over there. Say what's up, bro.
What's up, man?
So stay tuned. Let's see what we catch. Check it out, guys. This is the surprise Mavic Mini. Cool little drone.
Sorry about your dad, man.
Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate it, bro. No way. I lost the... Oh my God, I lost the freaking... Dude, I lost the stick of the freaking drone, man. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me, dude. No way. Holy crap. Yep. Great. No drone shots. Try to fly without the stick. But... So guys, I lost the stick underneath that bench right there. It fell in the water. Sorry for polluting. I don't really want to litter or anything. And I was able to fly it. All right, time for fishing now. Oh, got one. Nice. Check it out, guys. Grunt. Nice little grunt. All right, guys. Big bait, big fish. Oh, you got something? Nice. So it seems like they're biting, huh?
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, damn, a whole bunch of lanes, dude. Wow. Nice, man.
Smaller than the last one, but still pretty good.
Yeah. And they're pretty, man. They're pretty.
Yeah. They're aggressive. That's what I like about them.
You're using wire?
Huh?
You're using wire? No way, dude. Holy shit. Nice, dude. Nice. Very nice. You want me to take a picture?
Huh?
I'll take a picture.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, man.
I mean, it's it's not it's not the monster, but
I'm gonna put that on the video, by the way. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh damn! All right, I'm on. What's that? Holy crap!
What's that?
Hold on, I'll tell you right now. Can't freaking remember the name right now. This is you know how people say mojarra? They call them something else.
Yeah.
Sand perch. There we go.
Sand perch. Yeah.
I don't know if I should cut them up and use them for bait or just let them go. Check it out, guys. Sand perch. I'll let them go. Yeah.
Oh, it's actually not that bad.
Maybe it's the sand perch I release.
Una manchita.
Una
Oh
manchita.
man, this is actually pretty nice.
Might be a jack.
Let's see.
Dude, oh no! Damn, and I caught it on film. That was awesome though. That was nice, yeah, bro. Hey, not bad, bro. Coño, nice. Dude, and he was nice looking too, dude. Hey, for sure that one was legal.
Yeah, no, that
one was legal, yeah. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Now we're hooking into a big boy. Let's go. Eat, boy. Eat. Take your time.
I feel the electricity in the air, you know?
There we go. There we go, baby. There we go. Oh, is he still on? Wait, maybe swim. Is he swimming towards me?
What's that?
Is he swimming towards me or?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is. Oh, shit. Oh, look at that bonnet head, dude. And we were talking about bonnet heads. Damn. That's a nice bonnet. Oh, that's my biggest bonnet that I've ever caught, dude. Holy crap. Oh, that's a nice bonnet. That's the biggest bonnet I've ever caught.
Good, nice.
Woo, nice, man. See if I can try to measure him. Oh, damn, that dude was nice, dude.
Yo, that was really weird because it wasn't taking off.
Yeah, but it was right. They take off. Yeah, but it was swimming towards me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I was like, damn, is he still on or what's going on?
So far, best catch of the day.
Well, no, but it's a shark. It's a shark, bro.
Bro, shark are the funniest thing to catch.
Oh yeah, you're doing good, bro. You're doing good. Nope.
Gotcha. Oh, he did hook me though.
He did?
Yeah.
Perfect. Awesome, bro. Thank you, man.
Nah, perfect.
Hey, you sure you don't want him, right?
No, I'm sure I'll hook me too.
No,
Good,
for sure. Dale.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it, man. Oh, check that out, guys. That's the smallest yellowtail I've ever caught in my entire life. Wow. Look how small. Look how nice he is, though. Check it out. Super nice. Small little yellowtail. Holy crap. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, I hate these damn things. What's this called right now? Damn, today I can't remember. Bermuda chub. Yeah, check it out, guys. Bermuda chub. Hate these damn fish. Stop. They crap everywhere. Wonder if they make a good bait. One way to find out. Yo. What? Light drag? Damn, dude. Nice fight, man. Hell yeah.
Oh, he's fighting good.
Hell yeah.
I don't know what it is.
Take your time, take your time.
Oh, man.
Oh, a boxfish, I think. Yeah. They're nice. Cool.
Something.
Yeah, hell yeah. Real nice. Shut over here the camera real quick. Thanks, dude. Oh, that's cool, man. No worries. Hold on, wait. Are you braid also?
Yeah.
Oh, great. This is gonna be a bad one. Oh, no. This is not good.
I don't think I'll cut mine.
Nah, man, don't do that. No worries. Let's try first and see what happens.
Is there something on my line?
Is there? No, I don't. Is there?
No.
Yeah, you know. Oh, crap. Wait. You have something. You had something.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you actually do have something. Here you go. Damn, you have a nice lane, dude. Yeah. Here you go. Hey, you caught it, man, not me. There you go. Now you can cut the line if you want. That's a nice lane, man.
Yeah, I cut it.
Hey, you got something good, man.
Oh, yeah.
Take your time. Ooh, a nice blue runner. It's a nice blue runner, man. Good job. Check it out, guys. This is the biggest sling he's caught today. Nice, man. Hey, measure it for fun. Oh, damn, dude.
8 inches?
Dude.
You want him for bait?
No. He's legal. 9 inches. Wow, 9.5. Damn, dude. Nice. Real nice.
Want him?
Go up a live crab. Check it out, guys. He's using it and he got a bite. Check out that bite right there. Damn, dude. And you had it on the bottom?
Yeah.
You were reeling it in, or?
Like, no, I felt it bite, but
It was sitting on the bottom.
Gone. Yeah.
Wow. Damn, dude. Another lane. It's all lanes. Nice, man. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Check it out, guys. They gave me a blue runner. All right, guys. So I was reeling in my bait. I saw a Mac after it, and then Buddy at the end saw 2 Macs coming in. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the gotcha. Let's see what happens. Wait, can you? All right, this is a, yeah. Can you reel this one in, man?
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. And then this one. No, this is a stingray, man, for sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh crap! Hold on. What happened here?
Yeah, this one wrong.
Oh crap. Okay. Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
All right, this one has something on.
You good?
Yeah. Is that one done? Yeah. You can just. No, I'll set it over here so it's out of the way. Yeah, if you could just put it. You can put it on the rod holder. On the cooler. Yeah. Just set it there. Thank you, man.
Oh, I think it's a stingray.
Yeah, it's a stingray. Yeah, for sure.
Hope it's not.
Yeah, I'm hooked up. It's a stingray, I'm pretty sure, man.
Oh, it's probably that big one from earlier.
Yeah. Am I recording? You guys see a flashing red light?
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
No way, look what I got.
And
You need to move the mark?
maybe if you reel in, because it's going that way.
Robert, let's go.
If you guys can reel in real quick. Just to see, huh?
You want me to reel this one in?
No, this one I think is good. I think it went over or something. Oh no, he didn't. Oh man, can you reel this one in? Yeah, just to be safe. Written on top, yeah. Oh, he's underneath here. You guys see him? He's right in front of you somewhere. Stingray? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Damn. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Oh no, you can leave it in there, because if it's not tangled, right? No. Yeah, just loosen the drag if you can, so it doesn't take it. Is it a stingray?
Yeah, I think.
Damn, it hit my smaller rod instead of hitting the big rod. Shh. Oh, it's trying to take off.
How much you have on that line?
20, and a 30-pound leader, and a 3/0 circle hook. 3/0 or 4/0. I want him to try to take off so I can bring him up. Because as long as he's buried, forget about it. Yeah? Playing the guitar.
Probably like 200 something.
Damn.
It took like 45 minutes. I have a 50 and a 60.
No, it's not a nurse shark. No.
No.
That's stingray. Oh, look, wait.
there you go.
There we go. Got him. I see him. Got him. Ooh.
Oh, it's a little tiny
Yeah.
stingray.
It's a small. Damn it, he's funny. Hard as shh. There you go. There you go. Got him.
Mira, Sofía.
Yeah, that palm should go high. Los sacaron.
Sacaron la
Yeah,
manta.
Sophie, move out of the way.
Hey, but this one fought hard, man.
Fighting hard.
Oh, the hook is
Yeah.
there. They're all muscle and they're just all fin.
Exactly. Oh, all right. Somebody cut it right at the. Boom. All right. Good. Good. Awesome. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it, man.
Good, man.
Wait, what do you want me to do?
Thank you. Oh yeah. Thank you for reeling in the rods and all that. Thank you, guys.
I think it fought hard.
Oh, they fight hard, man. I thought it was bigger.
I thought it was bigger too.
Oh look, it actually broke the swivel. It broke the swivel.
Oh, Rick, you didn't even cut it.
Yeah, it broke the swivel. It's crazy, man. That's how heavy that thing was. All right, guys. It was a good day out here at Bags today. Everyone caught so far. You guys caught, right? Yeah. You guys caught. Everybody caught lanes, right? Yeah. That bonnet head was real nice. Too bad I couldn't measure it and everything. Thank you guys for the bait. Thank you for the help. Thank you for everything. If you guys want to say your name or whatever.
Eric, Mavic,
Randy, Rick.
Thank you guys for watching.